Hello everyone, I am Professor Praveen Sarvale, College of Agriculture and Allied Sciences, Shardanagar, Baramati, Department Agronomy. I have completed my UG and PG in the University of BSKKV Dapoli. Now I am working here in ADT as an assistant professor. Your second semester course G201, the syllabus of this semester second. Now see in this video, see G201, that means general educations. The subject title is Agrotechnics of Principal Field Crops Second Rabi. Okay, that means all the Rabi crop, agronomical Rabi crops are included in this syllabus. Okay, subject code is a 201 G201. Credit 1, total hour in week 1 hour. Okay, and total hours in the semester of this course is 15. The internal marks is nearly about 40 and external exam marks is 40. Okay, now see the syllabus of G201, that means Agrotechnics of Principal Field Crop Second Rabi. Total 9 lectures, and see accordingly total hours. In that first lecture is the production technology of following crops, that mean origin, geographical distributions, economic value importance, soil and climate requirements, varieties, cultural practices and yield, and production technology of cereal, that mean wheat. Okay, this is the first lecture. The all package of practices regarding the wheat crop, that means from sowing to the last harvesting. Then second lecture, production technology of cereal, that means barley. Then third lecture, production technology of cereal like Rabi wheat. Okay, that means total 3 cereals in your syllabus. Okay, wheat, barley, and Rabi sorghum. Okay, all are the Rabi crops. Wheat, barley, and Rabi sorghum. These are the major 3 cereals are included in your syllabus. Now, in case of pulses, number 4 lecture, the production technology of pulse crop, chickpea and lentil. Okay, chickpea, that means in Marathi harbara, lentil in Marathi masoor. Okay, these are the 2 major pulse crop. Also other some pulse crop in lecture number 5, pea and French bean. Okay, watan and French bean. These are the major 4 pulse crops are included in your syllabus: chickpea, lentil, pea, and French bean. Okay. Then the study or package of practices regarding the oilseed crop, and total 5 oilseed crops are in the syllabus. In that, first one is a safflower, in Marathi kardai, sunflower, that means suryaful, then linseed, okay, in Marathi javas, rapeseed and mustard, okay, that means sarso mohri. Okay, these are the total 5 oilseed crops. Okay, the use of oilseed crop is to extract the edible oil. Then next, production technology of sugar crop, sugarcane. Then production technology of other sugar crop, sugar beet. Okay, these 2 major crops are included in your syllabus: sugarcane, sugar beet. Okay. Now see, according to the classification of crops, cereal, pulses, oilseed, and sugar crops. There are 3 cereal crop: wheat, barley, and sorghum. In case of pulses, chickpea, lentil, French bean, and peas. In oil seed, safflower, sunflower, linseed, rapeseed and mustard. And in sugar crop, sugarcane and sugar beet. Okay, these are the all crops are included in your syllabus. Now we will see regarding the all package of practices of this crop, that mean from the sowing up to the last harvesting. In that requirement of soil, climate, land preparation, seeds and sowing, harvesting, then intercultural operations, okay, irrigation management, then fertilizer management, different variety of that particular crops. All this we will see in this package of practices of different crops. Okay, these are the total 9 lectures. Okay, and these are the total crops. These are the some reference books are given below. You can refer for the extra informations. This is the all about G201. Okay, this is the syllabus of G201. Okay, now next SE212, that means skill component, that means part of practical skill component. Practical crop production second, Rabi, this is the another one course. Skill component, the most of the practical part are included in this subject. Subject code is SE212. Then total hour 1, internal exam for 40 marks, credit 1, total hours 15, external exam for total 40 marks. Okay, skill component 212. Now see the total lectures of this SE212, total 9 lectures. In that, see, first one is a study of seed bed preparations. Seed bed preparation, that means seed bed means what? Seed bed requirement of different crops, how to prepare a seed bed, then proper dimensions or proper ideal seed bed for particular crops. We will see all this in this first lecture. The next, sowing of wheat, sugarcane and sunflower. This is in second semester, second lecture. Then third, calculation of seed rates of different crops. Then top dressing of nitrogen in feed, that means calculations of nitrogen requirement, how you can apply the nitrogen in a different speed doses, and total count of that particular fertilizers we will see in this lecture. Then study of fertilizer experiment on wheat and mustard. Then next, identification of weeds in wheat and grain legumes. And next one is to study agronomic experiment of Rabi crops. The last one is a visit to research station related to the Rabi crop. Any Rabi crops research stations nearby our college or in district, we will visit there in these research stations of that particular crop. Okay, this is the all syllabus related to the practical crop production second, Rabi crop. Okay, that means skill component 212. Okay, these are the two subject, G201 and second one is a SE212. Okay, and all the syllabus already I am given here, and these are the some reference book for this course. Okay, this is all about the syllabus in this video. Now in next video and next lecture, actual we are going to start the syllabus of that course. Okay, thank you student. If you have any problem regarding the syllabus and any queries regarding the subject, then contact me. Okay, thank you so much student.